So, instant cowboy acoustic song. Think huge 80s band, you might know them. But anyways, there's a couple of tricks to kind of get that sound. Let's go over them. They're really basic. As always, click the links below. Cool tutorials, books, videos, super helpful stuff. So, let's zoom in for a closer look and get to this. Alright, so we're going to use D. I'm not going to be so concerned about this finger down here. I am going to use my third finger right here on the B string, 3rd fret, and my first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Next I'm going to go to kind of an F chord. Alright? Here's F. Just going to change around a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to have 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the D. First finger is still going to stay in the same spot. And then what we can do is go straight up to C from there. So if you notice the shape's really similar, I'm just going to move these 2 fingers up. Also G. Now what we're going to do is little hammer-ons and pull-offs on all these notes. Right, and that's going to kind of give us that cowboy thing, right? So what we're going to do is take a basic chord progression, and in between each chord change, or right preceding a chord change, we're going to throw in a little open string riff. Go to the next chord, come back to the beginning. So D right there. All you have to do is take off your first finger, hit the open G, hammer on. I'm going to go to that next chord, the F chord, but you can play it like this too. Take your finger off, right? So we got so right there I'm going open D, and then I'm going to 3rd fret, and then I'm going to do open, down, pull off on the G. So we got, and then we can go lead right into that C chord, so that would be, so that's just a pull off on the D string, 3rd fret. That one's always good on the D string, open, and then hit the C chord. We can do that same thing on the G. And then back to the D. Right there, I just went and then pulled off that 3rd fret D. Alright, so we got. So this is cool for starting to be able to play your chords, right? Basic chords. We can use different variations of our chords to make it easier on us. You know, we got that F, C, and G shape. I'm just moving these 2 fingers up sets of strings, and then work on being able to let notes ring out, open strings ring out while we're transitioning to the next chord. Alright, so just mess around with what notes work. Sometimes when you're in a major, we changed up and went just to a major sound. Just a happy cowboy, not a misunderstood bad boy. Spits dip on people's shoes like Josie Wales. But anyways, right? Don't forget that. As always, thanks for watching.